Hi guys, this is the first video about data science in R. So we are starting with importing files with the different formats. So this is the first command I'm running it, and that will return the file path of the particular whatever the current session is. Now we have some next function is read table in file.choose. This method will we have read.text, read.csv2. These are the functions so we can import our file with the different sources. And now I'm using read.csv, and this gives just waiting it. Okay, okay. I'm loading iris data, and this is successfully loaded. Okay, so we have data. Now we have imported it in our df function. So now I'm in this command. What the read table is, if you really want to do it, just do it with this command. So this will give the entire, just one sec, entire input, whatever the kind of file header, sec quotients, sec numerals, all the things are here. You can choose, but I didn't have any choose. I just choose the file with the file.choose function. So this will return the file path. And if you want to go with view.df, so this will give a very structured format. As I mentioned, display the entire data set in the matrix form. So this is a beautiful um, file structure here. So if you just want to do it, just use the view.df. View function is very basic. Is this the v is the capital here, so be careful about it. And if you want to know the dimension of this, just write dm.df. This gives us the rows and columns. So 150 rows are there and 6 columns. And if you write the nrows command, this gives us the number of rows, 150. And if I'm writing n columns, this gives us 6, the number of columns. And next command is names.df, which provide us the df petal length, petal width, petal length, petal width, species, all the different the columns names are just one command, names df. Now I'm talking about strdf, which provide us the display the entire internal structure. You can see here that int is integer type, petal length, petal width, petal length, petal width, all are numeric forms, and species, which is a factor with three different type of factors on there. The next command is summary. Summary df provide the all kind of statistical view. You can see the minimum, maximum, median, mode, first quartile, third quartile, about every single column. You can see the species is a factor, so it doesn't provide us the mean, max, but it provides the iris setosa, iris vertica, and all these are 50 50 50. Next command is a class df. Class df we should write. Okay, so this is df. This provides us that is a data frame. What the kind of a file we have df, which we have import here, is a data frame file. Most of the data data you will import is a kind of a form of a data frame. I should say. Now we have the next command is a head. That provides us head with n is equal to 5. This provides us first 5